I'm Dustin Thurman. I'm a criminal justice instructor at Caddo Kiowa Technology Center.
In an emergency, seconds matter, and so does preparation. Our criminal justice program trains you for real careers that keep communities safe: 911 dispatching, corrections, unarmed security, and police work. In 911 dispatch, you'll learn to stay calm under pressure, mastering call taking, priority triage, radio procedures, and the mapping tools that guide first responders where they're needed most. In corrections, you'll practice safe supervision, communication, and rehabilitation strategies, focusing on ethics, professionalism, and the human skills that reduce conflict and support second chances. As an unarmed security professional, you'll train in situational awareness, report writing, observation skills, and de-escalation, protecting people and property while serving with respect. In police officer preparation, you'll build foundations in law, constitutional rights, procedure, community policing, and scenario-based decision-making, emphasizing restraint, integrity, and accountability. Across every track, you'll get hands-on practice, realistic simulations, professional communication, and teamwork under pressure, backed by instructors with real-world experience. You'll leave with job-ready skills, industry-recognized credentials, and a service mindset that puts people first. If you're ready to make a difference when it matters most, start here. Your career in criminal justice begins today.